Phoenix City Intermediate School proudly serves 6th and 7th graders in our community. Our school is dedicated to providing a well-rounded education that prepares our students for a successful future. We have a wide range of academic classes, extracurricular activities, clubs, and sports to support every student's interest and hobbies. PCIS offers a variety of classes to meet students at their academic and interest levels. All students will take English language arts, social studies, science, math, and elective courses. 6th grade students may take a full year of band or a STEAM class to learn more about technology, engineering, computer science, and fine arts. We offer over 20 clubs and sports to cater to students' unique interests. 6th graders can choose to pursue challenging STEM activities or fine arts ensembles, while 7th graders have team sports added to their offerings. We are always looking to add more extracurriculars to give students an active choice in their education, which ultimately generates ownership, reduces discipline, and increases attendance. With the Alabama High School Athletic Association only permitting 7th grade students to participate in sports, the PCIS Band offers a perfect opportunity to immediately get involved in a student organization and try something new. Our band is the largest student organization on campus. Students learn to play instruments, appreciate music, play dynamically with other musicians, and confidently perform in front of their peers.